Friends, now we are going to learn about OA, EA and AI sound. When two vowels together say one sound, like OA. Here it is OA, EA and AI. When two vowels together say one sound, the sound is name of the first letter. So here it is O. Here two vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. The first letter is E. So here it is E. And here the first letter is A. So here it is name of the first letter A. Now let us see the examples of OA sound. So here it is OA. When two vowels together say one sound, the sound is name of first letter. So here it is O. Now example. So here BOAT, boat. Here this OA letters together say one sound, but the sound is O, name of the first letter. Okay. So here it is BOAT, boat. B-O-T, boat. Okay. Now next one. C-O-A-T, coat. C-O-A-T. Here also it is O-A. So, K-O-T, coat. Now next is R-O-A-D, road. R-O-D. Here it is O-A. Okay. Now next one is G-O-A-L. So here G-O-L, goal. Here also it is O-A. Okay. Now next one is G-O-A-T. Here also it is O-A. Two vowels together say one sound. So the sound is the name of the first letter. So here it is O. G-O-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Okay. Now next is F-O-A-L, foal. F-O-L. Here also O-A is the vowel together and say name of the first letter. Okay. So, F-O-L, foal. Now, next is L-O-A-D, load. L-O-A-D. Here also, O-A is vowel together, say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter, that is O. So, here it is L-O-D, load. Okay. Now, next one is C-O-A-L. Here also O-A vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter, that is O. C-O-A-L. O-K-O-L, coal. C-O-A-L, coal. Okay. Now we will repeat. It is B-O-A-T, boat. C-O-A-T, coat. R-O-A-D, road. G-O-A-L, goal. G-O-A-T, goat. F-O-A-L, foal. L-O-A-D, load. And here it is C-O-A-L, coal. Okay. Now we will see the examples of AI sound. Okay. So here it is A, I. When these vowels together say one sound, the sound is name of the first letter. Now see some examples. So here it is R, A, I, N, rain. Here two vowels together say one sound, but the sound is name of the first letter, that is A. R-A-N here. So rain. Okay. Now next one is P-A-I-R, pear. So here also A-I is a two vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So A. P-A-R, like this. So pear. P-A-I-R, pear. Now next one is F-A-I-R, fair. Here also A-I is the two vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So here it is F-A-I-R, fair. Okay. Now next example is C-H-A-I-R, chair. Here also A-I is the vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So C-H-A-I-R, chair. Okay. Now next one is H-A-I-R, hair. Here also A-I vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. Okay. So here H-A-I-R, hair. Now next is N-A-I-L, nail. Here also A-I vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So here N-A-I-L, nail. Okay. Now next one is T-A-I-L, tail. Here also A-I is the vowel together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. Okay. So here T-A-I-L, tail. Next one is P-A-I-L. A-I vowel together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So P-A-I-L, pale. Now we will repeat. It is R-A-I-N, rain. P-A-I-R, pear. F-A-I-R, fair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. H-A-I-R, hair. N-A-I-L, nail. T-A-I-L, tail. And P-A-I-L, pale. Okay. Now let us see the examples of E-A sound. So here E-A. These vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. Okay. Now see some examples. Here it is H-E-A-T, heat. So here also E-A is the vowel together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter, E. So H-E-A-T, heat. Okay. Now next one is R-E-A-D, read. Here E-A is the vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter, that is E. So R-E-A-D, read. Okay. Now next one is M-E-A-T, meet. Here also EA is vowel together. Say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter, that is E. So M-E-A-T is meet. Okay. Now next one is T-E-A-M, team. So here also EA vowel together. Say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter E. So T-E-A-M, team. Okay. Now next one is B-E-A-D, bead. So here EA is a vowel together. Say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So B-E-A-D, bead. Okay. Now next one is L-E-A-K, leak. Here EA also vowels together. Say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So L-E-A-K, leak. Okay. Now next one is B-E-A-T. Here also EA vowels together. Say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter E. So here B-E-A-T, bit. Okay. Now next one is B-E-A-K, beak. Here EA vowels together. Say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. It is E. So B-E-A-K, beak. Okay. Now we will repeat. H-E-A-T, heat. R-E-A-D, read. M-E-A-T, meet. T-E-A-M, team. B-E-A-D, bead. L-E-A-K, leak. B-E-A-T, bit. And B-E-A-K, beak. Okay. In this chapter, we have learned about OA, EA and AI sound. Here OA, this is O sound. Here E sound. Here AI, A sound. Okay. Now remember one thing, that this O, E and A is prolonged sound. Okay. For example, this is B-O-A-T, boat, not boat. Okay. Here it is T-E-A-M, team, not Tim. And here it is H-A-I-R, hair, not hair. Okay. So you have to remember one thing only, that this O-E-A are prolonged sound. Okay. Now we will see few more sounds with vowels together. Okay. Here A-U, O-U and O-I. Okay. This A-U sounds like O. O-U sounds like ow. And here O-I like oi. Okay. Now we will see some examples. Now we will see the examples of A-U sound. Example is A U G U S T. August. This AU letter sounds O. So, August. August. Okay. Next is D A U G H T E R. Here AU is sound O. So, daughter. Daughter. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. It is daughter. Okay. Now next is P-A-U-S-E. EU sound like O. So, pause. Pause. P-A-U-S-E. Pause. Okay. Now next is B-E-C-A-U-S-E. AU sound O. So, B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. Because. Now we will repeat. August. Here AU sounds like O. So, August, daughter, pause and because. Okay. Now we will see the sound of OU. This sounds like ow. So, example is here it is G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Ground. Okay. Now next is H-O-U-N-D. Ow. So here hound. H-O-U-N-D. Hound. Okay. Next is M-O-U-T-H. OU sounds like ow. So, mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Next is M-O-U-S-E. Here also O-U. So, ow. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Now we will repeat. Ground, hound, mouth, and here mouse. Okay. Now we will see the examples of OI sound. This sounds like oi. So, example is oil. O-I. Oil. Okay. Now next is C-O-I-L. Coil. Here it is O-I. Oil. So, oil. Coil. Now next is C-O-I-N. Coin. Here OI. So coin. Coin. Okay. Now next is FOIL. Foil. For oil. Foil. Now next is POINT. Here oi. So point. Point. Next is POISE. Poise. We also oi sound. So poise. Poise. Next is NOISE. Noise. We also OI sound like oi. So noise. Noise. Now we will repeat. Here oil, coil, coin, foil, point, poise and noise. Here one more set of letters. It is OY. This OY, in this Y is not the vowel, but the sound is like OI. Oi. Let us see some examples. It is BOY. OY. Here boy. Boy. Next is TOY. Here OY sounds like oi. So toy. 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 Now next is JOY. Joy. Here OY sounds like oi. So joy. 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 Now we will repeat. BOY. Boy. TOY. Toy. And JOY. Joy. Okay. We have seen AU, OU and OI sounds. Do you remember a set of letters OY in which Y is not vowel but the sounds like oi, OI. Okay. So you have to remember this special case.